stairs. Tanner Etheridge.
Coming like a nightmare, we're like I'm gonna go for it. Looking around and what you got to show for it. Let it be known that I'm in the zone, and whatever I need, I just pick up the phone, cause I'm true with it. You're new with it. I just swing the thing and then I'm through with it. I don't need friends to act like folks, cause I'm Nick Hexon, the one who knows about things. Cause it takes two and we swing. Better than you, then it's time for the dump, and we'll roll to the club, and you know just what I do. I'm hitting in the freak mode, putting on low, sipping on any little lo and behold. Doing the music on my body's the time, and I just can't stop. Think 11 shows and the air is verified. Don't give a damn, cause the groove is hella fine. Grew up punk, listening to funk. I'm a hyper type of fella that does not touch junk. So I'm back at the bottom of the stack. In the back, what you get when you're steady dumping shit. Knock off the cell, shit is on shelf. This 9 to 5, we go for the hive.
Listen up, bitch, you're gonna bump to this. And if I feel mean, I'm gonna clutch my fist. Now when I say mean, I mean I'm gonna rock it. You're gonna find out it. I'm about to shock you when I'm on. I'm gonna hit the beat that falls and we begin. And we kick up the storm. The day we turn the pop, the show will stop. So feel the beat and get lost. Now back to part 2, the hard way reflex of all my time for the fans. I'm vested, and if you don't know, I suggest the show. See we got it on the dance floor. Something to stop, like what I can fuck that. Get the hell back to what the rock said. We cast the mold, but the pole explode. Like a trend set up, go around the globe. Friends taking you where you never been. We done what we wanted, crafted programs. Rock, fit, it's a glow around you. Lose control, homes, just like we do. Harder octane for the ones for name. Better gonna let your mama and your masquerade. I show the rock with no dance for Jesus. I hear voices say, pass up Martinez.
You're all up in my face like a fucking Betty Crocker. You think you're playing me, but actually you're a jocker. You bad-mouthing bitch, man, you're giving me juice. It ain't nothing but a party, everybody get loose. Notice what I don't do is stress step to me. Whenever you complain, so sue me. I say fuck the naysayers. I keep going, gotta do what I gotta do to get the people going. So let everyone gather. The more, the better. I represent the traveler. Hip, he's just trying to come.
I need with yourself and I'm trying to please me. I'm just taking things quickly. I'm out. I'm the town one, lot of a small one. But so I was looking nigga like I'm a huge forget. I'm pretty in a front of the fucking music. You think I'm a silly brother because I have to. On the way out from now, I just got to rock the music. Be popping through me like a electric shock. I think a blink and I wait, but that's just not starting. Cause in the blink, I will not last you.
Oh, you're the back of the pack and the bottom of the stack.
In the
That's
back.
what you get when you steady jumping shit. Now go for sell. The shit is on shelf. This 9 to 5, we go for the hive.
Chill, right on my side as my ego becomes a funky child with some words on my tongue. Be like in, take a breath, and my mouth is blue. So while I scatter and spit, I dream of juice. Have you ever made out in dark hallways? This way, I just I made your day. I say, play the track in your record correction. It's your mix, congratulations.
Chain a lot of names on some. Know that we have always been down, down. If I ever didn't thank you, then just let me do it now. Chain a lot of names on some. Know that we have always been down, down. If I ever didn't thank you,